Have you ever wondered how a simple cup of tea can transform your day? Imagine sipping on something warm, soothing, and packed with health benefits. Instant honey ginger tea is more than just a drink, it's a natural powerhouse that's quick to prepare and incredibly effective for your health. When life gets busy, we often overlook simple ways to support our well-being. Instant honey ginger tea offers a convenient solution for those moments. Whether it's fighting off a cold, improving digestion, or simply warming you up on a chilly day, this tea is a comforting choice with powerful effects. Let's dive into what makes this tea so special. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, combines with honey, a natural sweetener rich in antioxidants, to create a blend that supports your immune system, calms your stomach, and boosts energy. Together, they make an instant solution to common health concerns, from easing nausea to soothing a sore throat. One of the key benefits of instant honey ginger tea is its ability to aid digestion. If you've ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after a meal, a warm cup of this tea can bring quick relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce muscle soreness and joint pain, making it a favorite among athletes and those with an active lifestyle. Additionally, the honey adds a touch of sweetness while working to fight off free radicals that can harm your cells. Another powerful aspect is its effect on the immune system. With flu season always around the corner, drinking instant honey ginger tea can help you stay ahead of colds and infections. The antioxidants in honey combined with ginger's antibacterial properties create a natural shield for your body, keeping you healthy and energized. Incorporating this tea into your daily routine is as easy as it sounds. Just mix it with hot water, and you're good to go. It's a quick, delicious, and healthy way to enhance your day. Whether you enjoy it in the morning or as a soothing evening ritual, the benefits are undeniable, so why wait? Give instant honey ginger tea a try today and experience its transformative power for yourself. Don't forget to share your thoughts or tips in the comments below. Hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with someone who could use a little wellness boost in their life.